I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were higher again on Wednesday due to the end of Federal Reserve support of the mortgage-backed securities market. The Fed had purchased $1.25 trillion in Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac IOUs from January 2009 through March 31st of this year. From now on, the U.S. Treasury will have to fill the void via backdoor taxpayer funding of the two quasi-governmental companies. The Treasury Department has promised unlimited financial support for Fannie and Freddie through the end of next year. That is a potential multi-trillion-dollar taxpayer guarantee to global investors if the pace of American mortgage defaults continues to increase. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is at 4.75% with 3 1/8 points, up 1/8 of a point from Tuesday. For an extra cost of $125 on a $100,000 loan, the 5% rate is at 1 3/4 points, also up 1/8 of a point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was unchanged, with the 4.25% rate at 1 7/8 points. The 4 3/8% rate is at 1 1/4 points. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. The ADP payroll company said 23,000 private payroll jobs were lost in March when analysts had expected an increase in hiring. On Thursday, we will see first-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits, where the consensus estimate is for a slight decline. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Thursday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.